Chapter 8, Lesson 6, Volume of Prisms. A prism is a three-dimensional figure with at least two parallel congruent faces. Volume is the measure of space a 3D figure occupies. Do you know what this shape is? You're right. It is a rectangular prism. And the formula for finding it is V equal big BH, or the volume is the length times width times height. Big B means area of the base. In the formula V equal LWH, LW, length times width, is the big B. That's why sometimes we use V equal big BH. This is the formula that is on the mathematics chart. So you have to know that that means the big B is the area of the length times the width. Do you know what this shape is? It is a triangular prism. The volume is big BH also, where B is the area of the triangular base. When we're trying to find the volume of a triangular prism using the formula big BH, you have to ask yourself, what is the base? A lot of people think it's what the triangular prism is sitting on, but it's actually the shape that runs through it. What is the base? It's one of the two parallel congruent faces. And you say, what are the parallel congruent faces? They are the triangles. That is the shape that runs through a triangular prism. Just like in a rectangular prism, the shape that runs through a rectangular prism is a rectangle. All the sides are rectangles, so that's easy. But with a triangular prism, you have to remember there are 3 rectangles and 2 triangles as faces of a triangular prism. The shape that runs through it is the triangle, hence the name triangular prism. So when we write the formula, V equal big BH. The base being the triangle, you have to use the formula for the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 BH, and then bring down the H. So the formula you will use is 1/2 BH times H. 1/2 of the base of the triangle. Base of the triangle is 3 5/10. And the height of the triangle is 2. And then the height of the shape itself is how far it goes back between the two triangles, which is 4 2/10. Is there any number there that you can get half of easily? Yes, half of 2. Half of 2 is 1. 1 times 3 5/10 times 4 2/10. Well, 1 times anything is itself, so you have 3 5/10 times 4 2/10. Pause the video and do the math. You end up with 14 70/100, which is 14 7/10. You can drop that 0 off. It's considered insignificant. It's not holding a place. The triangle was in feet, and anytime you find volume, you're finding cubic units. That's to the 3rd power. So the answer is 14 7/10 feet cubed.